Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video I will explain how to create a class in our system. So first of all, I already logged in my admin account and I already made a more pagination like 20. Yesterday we did, last video we did like 1, so I will change to 20 in user model. So you can see it here like here 20. Okay. So I will create a new menu, class menu. Also I will create a one table class. So let's create the first class tables here. So let me do class, table name is a class, and ID, auto increments, and name, and we can make like a 2550 means 1255 nulls, and we can do like status. I think status is good idea. So you need to make active inactive. So in integers by default is 0. 0 means is active, 1 means inactive. Also 2 column I add created at, updated at, created at and updated at. So this is the date and timestamps, date and time. Also I use null. Okay, I think table is created done. So just click on the save button. So you can see it is the table is created. Let's add another column like created by, who is created for this class. So it's good idea. So we know, okay, this guy is created for this class, because you are logging the multiple admin, so you need to know which one created. So let's create a new column created by and choose the nulls and enter. Okay, so you can see like 1 2 3 4 5 6 column we have created. So let me create here menu, class menu. So go to resources, views, admin, not admin, layouts, inside app. This is the only for admin. So admin create a class. So just go down and copy the lines like admin sites. This is the admin, this is the admin. So just copy and paste here, and you can make class. And you can make class list, admin class list, and you can make here segment equal to class, because we need to make an active class. So second segment showing the class. So go to root file and create a class root. So just copy these lines and make here the class URL, and just like paste here and just here change class, and inside we need to create a new controller, class controllers. So let's open your terminal and create a controller, class controller, inside HTTP controller here. Okay, so just open your terminal. Sorry, I just hit press. So you can see it, my terminal is open. So just type PHP artisan make controller class controller and press enter. So just doing some process, and just waits few minutes, few seconds, not minutes. And okay, you can see it, class controller means controller is created, and we can show you also path. So let's go to our coding and we can see it here, class controller. Okay, so let's create go to here, let's create a functions. So functions list, and also we can create return view admin dot class dot list. So go to admin, inside we create a new folder about class folders, class, inside we can create a list dot blade dot php. Just copy in the copy list name blade dot php, and go to admin sites and just copy all content here and put here, and you can remove these lines, we don't need it because we need to paste them. So just copy and put here everything's, and here make it. After I can show you the changes name, and also you can remove the total. Okay, let's refresh the page so you can see it how it looks show. So you can see it here, the class menu. Okay, I click on the class menu. So I think here the errors because taking time, so 100% errors because class controller does not exist because we have not declared above. So just copy and go up and put here and paste here. So just refresh the files. So you can see it's working very well, no issue. After just save these files and add a semicolon here and refresh. So you can see it's like an admin list showing, but we need to change to class list. So first of all we need to do here use auth. So we need, and also we can pass the header data, header title is equal to class list, and also pass here data. So you can see it here, class list. Okay, let's change this name, all the names, just inside admin class list. So here and just need to do the class list, and also make add new class, go down search class, and just need to search the name. So just need to remove the emails, and we can do date, yes, date wise good. So just change the class list and class list. Okay, here we just need to remove the status, change to status, and also need to make a created block and created delete and action. Edit delete we need, this is an action. And also I will make another column here like a is delete because we are not removing any time permanently, so we can work like status wise. So just make a is delete any integers, zeros, and 0 means not and 1 means yes. Okay, I just save. So you can see it is a 7 column now. Okay, I go to class list, I refresh. So class list, search class, class list. Okay, and we will make a new menu is add new class. So let's create a new route for the add new class, means new URL. Just go to apps and copy the above lines and put here. Just change the class control to adds, and here you can also add like class. Now go to class controllers, inside just create a new menu, function add, and copy above 2 lines and put here. So add a new class. Remove the list, and here you can change to add, and we can create a new files add.black.php. Okay, after simple you need to go with the admin inside add files and just Control A, Control C and paste here, and you can change the name, add new class, and here you can refresh, and after click on the add new class. So working, everything is good, just need to change the name. Okay, we need to change the roots. Let's go to class, inside click on the add new class. So it's going to URL wrong, so just need to change the URL first, and now go to ups and checks. So we just need to change to class, admin class add. Okay, refresh, click on the add new class. So you can see it class and add new class, and add new class headers, and also we need to make name, status and submit. So let's remove 2 column, we don't need a 2 column more. Remove, just make another status, select class form controllers. So do you need to understand for this one what is this is the form controller? So do you need to learn about Bootstrap so you can understand easily. Okay, options, value 0 means is a active, I already told you, and 1 means is a inactive. just remove this lines and make it here name is equal to status. So you can see it, we have created two columns, class name, so let's have here class name, and one is a status, active inactive. Okay, and we don't need here like this because validation, because we are doing here like a adding, no any duplication work here. So just we need to the class name and status, active inactive, because is a one type. Suppose you can choose active, suppose you can choose inactive. So let's store this is the all the data inside these tables. Okay, so first of all we need to create a model for the class. So just open your terminal, you can type command php artisan make model class model and press enter. So model successfully created, and with it provide a path where, so just go to and checks inside, you can find out here, just copy this name and go up and you can declare as use app models in class models, and we are redirection at time same file. So just create new roots like copy, because I am copy always above lines, and put here just change the name class and also here change class controller. Just copy and go to class controller and put here insert function. Here I type request $request. Let's change all requests. So refresh the page, and I can choose like autofill. So let's make a class name is ABCD. Okay, and I click on the active and submit. So you can see it, name is equal to ABCD, status is equal to 0. So with the class data we have get proper. So let's add data inside class database, means class tables. So let me create a code $save is equal to new class model, name is equal to request name, and all the status. Change your name, and also you can make created by, who is created. So let's copy this one, created by, and put here and just type like auth users ID, and you can save it here. Let's remove the below line. After you can redirect with success class successfully created, and you can put your URL like admin class list. Okay, let's create a one class. So let's see, I can add a like name is class name ABCD and active and submit. So showing the base table not found, because we are not declared our table inside class model. So just go to here and you can put your table name. So let's copy some code and put here. Okay, I already copy and put here protected tables bank. So I just change to our table name class. Okay, I go back, I refresh the page, and I will add again ABCD and click on the submit buttons. So you can see class split created, and but we need to show list. Let's go to database and check, is a class already created, not created? Yes, is 100% created with created by, is like one means admin. I have logged in as a one account. Like I can show you, this is the account I log in, so this is the ID, go to here. Okay, I hope you are clear. Now let's show you the list here, like name, status, created by, created dates, and action. So go to your controllers, class controller, just create one function, get record, $data get records, get records, open your class model. So I already open here. So just go to static function, get records, and you can type here. No need any argument, so just return, because we need to make also filter. So I make like self, means that this is the class model. So let's make a proper class model. Select star class dot star, and here I can make some joint query, so we know who is created by users dot id and class dot created by. Let's copy the spelling, so we don't need to type, so just copy and put here, and you can make like order by. DSC means this new class always going to watch this result, and you can make also paginate here 20. Okay, so we just need to show the name of the user, so we can type here users dot name as a created by name. Okay, and let's return this variable back. Okay, now we need to show the list in list file, so just go to back, and here like type the for each loops as dollar value and for it here is the tr and td due to use. ID name and status and created by name. So just go to back again and copy this one and paste here, and after the created date, so created at, and also let's change to date month y, so date d and y h I a, so AMPM you can see also str2 time inside you can add our date, so dollar value created at, and also we can make action edit and delete. So let's refresh the page, so we can see record is found not found. So go to back and refresh the page, so you can see it. One ABCD is name, status is equal to 0. So let's make a condition. So 0 means activity to show and 1 means inactivity to show. One created by admin, one created date. So after we can add a 2 button, edit and delete here. So let's make a condition here. So go to here and just remove this one. If status is equal to 0, else and so 0 means the active and 1 in active. So refresh the page, so you can show active. Okay, now we can create a new class also. So class name I can create like a xyz and submit. So you can see xyz ABCD. Let's make a pagination 1. So let's see here the pagination we need to show here. So go to our class models and put here only 1. So I refresh, so you can showing only one record descending order wise. So let's make a here pagination. So you need to go to admin list and just copy this code, copy and go to list and put here inside table. So you can get records, so same as the get records, and here showing the links. So just refresh the page, so you can see it here. Save and refresh the page, so you can see it here pagination. You can see it, so pagination working very well, no issue now. Okay, let's go to back again and make it 20, same. Now we can make like an edit delete button. So let's go to again admin list and copy the edit delete button code, and you can go to backs and put here. Just change to admin to class, admin to class. Okay, Now you can go to class models, so you can see it here, means class files, means class menu, so you can see it here, xyz and abcd. So let's edit and delete, and after we can make a filter. So first of all we need to create a root, so just go to webs and copy 2 lines, I think three lines you can copy and put here. Just you can change to admin to class, and you can change the controller admin to class controller. And let's create an edit controller, so just go to functions and we can create here edit controller functions, and here we can make an id. So just copy above lines and put here and create an edit files, and just here do the edit class. So let's go to class folder and create a new file, edit.blade.php. Okay, just click on the adds and copy all and just put here and just change the name update to submit to update, and here you can change the title edit class. Okay, I think now it's clear. Let's go and refresh the page, and after you need to click to edit button. So working very well, no issue. You can see it, edit class, and we need to show here our database information, like whatever ID I have added. So this is the information we need to show here. So let's make one query. Go to class controller and you can make a data, get records, class models, and get single, and you can pass ID here. So go to class models, inside create a function, static functions, ID, and return self find. This is one type of to find, so the Laravel provide like a find function, self finds and $id. So I get the data here, and this data I have already passed inside edit. So I make a condition. Suppose I can find the data, so going to inside. Otherwise, you need to show 404 error, same like admin video did. I put here else part inside show the above 404. Okay, let's show the name inside edit files, like value, where is the value? So let's add a new attributes, value, get records, names. So you can see it here, refresh the page, so you can see it xyz. Let's make this is the also selected, so just copy this value here and put here like condition value, because I will use a shortcut, not using the if condition, like this. I will cover like this. You can do like this, selected. Just you can change your status to name and just copy and put here one. So now refresh. So this is the already class the active, this is then showing the active, otherwise your class is already inactive, so showing the inactive. Now we can do the update function. Suppose you click on the update function, means update button, so you just save the whatever you can change here and save to inside database. So let's make a this function update function. So go to our webs, and we have already created a post method, because we always use a action is equal to null. So just need to go and functions updates, and here we have also passed the ID and also request data. Just copy this one and put here, and here is also already passed the ID, and here we can do just save. Let's copy here just 2 lines and put here name to name and text to text, and here save. And we need to copy redirection function and put here, just change the words, class is fully updated. well, let me refresh the page and try. Working, not working. XYZ 1 2 3. After clicking on the update button, so it's working. You see, let's make an inactive this one. Edit, and you can make an inactive. So you can showing the inactive. I think we have missed one condition, is delete. So go to and check inside class models and just make another where query here, where class dot is delete is equal to 0. So only deleted data we can find. Let's like 0. Now go to list page and we can make a delete button work. So admin class delete. So let's go to webs. We already created admin class delete. Just go to open, create a new function inside class models. Is class controller, delete id, and just copy above lines, all the lines, and put here. And here you can change is delete is equal to 1 and remove this one. And after automatic redirect, so just need to make a redirect back. Whatever page you are come, and you can go to automatic back. So just using back function. Here you can like class is fully deleted. So let's test working, not working. So this is the XYZ 1 2 3. This is the ID I am removing. So I click on the delete functions. It's a delete button. So it's told me class is fully deleted. So let's go to database and check. So you can see it here is updated by 1. Okay, let's make 0. So it's showing the automatic back to in our list. So I already show you edit and delete, and also showing the active, inactive updation. Now we can make a filter like class name wise filter. So whatever I'll search like a XYZ and I search here. So need to show here. So you automatic saying the like name because we have not removed the code about the filter. I have copy file in admin list. So we have not removed. So you can see it. Request get name, request get dates. So go to our models like class model. Inside we make a filter coding. So let's go to back here. I make here semicolon. So here I can make request if request get name is not empty. So going to inside and make a query. So just copy bottom query and put here and type here name, and you can type here like. I already explained like in admin list inside. So I just write a code and just put here. And also make a date function. So I just copy all and put here date. Otherwise you can go to, you don't need to type, so just go to user models and just copy. This is the code and put here. Right, and you can change to class.database because we are making join query, so we need to know which table do you need to use. So I am using the dot. I need to use a class. So you can see it get date, and we need to also declare here request. So let's try to test working, not working. So you can see it's now working very well. I click the resets and I push like a ABCD. So it's working very well, no issue. And let's make like this is the also need to make like a date wise. So just you can choose our dates. 19 I search, so you can just count the data like a ABCD and dates. Let's go to inside database. Now we can change this date to 28. So what is that? What are you searching? Name is equal to ABCD, but date is the 19. So I click on the search button. Record not found because we have already changed date to 18, 29, 28. So you can see it here. So in this video I will show you like how to create a class, listing classes, add new classes, and edit classes, delete class, and also make a filter. So in the next video we can do like a subject. So we can show here is a subjects like new menu. So do you want to like this video about class? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching.